When you see the error establishing a database connection message, it simply means your website has lost the ability to communicate with its database. Think of the database as a secure storage vault where all your text, settings, and your user data live. Right now, your website is trying to access that vault, but it is failing. This usually happens for one of two reasons. Number one, either the website is using the wrong login details like a mismatched database name, a mismatched username, or your password is wrong. Or let's just say the database server itself is temporarily offline. So we're going to verify those details and get the connection restored. The first thing we need to do is to come to cPanel. Another cPanel, we're going to come to File Manager. Now, inside File Manager, you need to locate the particular website on which you have this error. For my own case, it is Treasure Kitties Arena. And since I have multiple domains on this hosting account, I just need to navigate and look for the folder for this particular website. Note, if you have just one domain on your hosting account, then you're just going to come to public HTML and you will find your websites right there. For my own case, I need to come down to treasurekittiesarena.com.ng. Then we need to find wp-config.php, right click on it and click on edit. Now, the reason why we need to come to File Manager is to locate these details: the database name, the database user, and the database password. In my own case, I simulated this error by creating an incorrect password, but it can be as a result of incorrect password, or it can be as a result of a database user trying to connect to another database that is not for this particular website. But since I know my own is incorrect password, all we need to do is to come back to cPanel. Then we're going to search under manage. We're going to search for manage under the search bar, and we're going to come to manage my databases. All right, so if I should come back to my WP config, my database name and my database user is WP931. So I need to come back to manage my databases. Then we come to current databases, and under the database, we're going to look for WP931, and we can see our privileged user is WP931. So if this should tally, then definitely you need to change password. So since this is not my own problem, I'm just going to scroll down to current users. And under current users, I am going to come down to WP931 and I'm going to click on change password. So while I'm on this page, I'll just come to password generator to generate a strong password. Then I'm going to copy this password to my clipboard, then click on this check mark and then use password. Now we're going to click on change password. And it says success, you have successfully set this user's password. Click on OK. And then we're going to come back to WP config. I'm going to highlight this incorrect password and I'm going to paste in the correct password right there. Then I'm going to come up here to save changes and it says success. Now I'm going to come back to our website and refresh this page. And as you can see, the error has disappeared. And that is how you can fix error establishing a database connection. As you can see, my own is as a result of incorrect password, but let's say your own is as a result of a wrong database user trying to connect to a different database. All you need to do is to just come back to manage my databases, and under add user to database, you're going to select the particular database of your choice, and then you're going to select the particular user of your choice rather, and then you're going to select the database that connects to this particular user. All right, we're going to choose this particular database and click on add. Then you can select all privileges and then click on make changes. So there you have it. This is how you can fix error establishing a database connection on WordPress easily. Thank you for watching this video. If you found value in this video, click on the like button and also subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next one.